Hi friends, welcome to Earth Day. Today is Earth Day, so we have to celebrate Earth Day by planting trees and grass. Because if the moisture will finish, there will be no life on Earth and we will all die. So, I request all the governments of the world, please, I tell you to plant trees and grass wherever you see plain fields. Then, I also request all my friends and everyone in this world to do that. It is important, as I said, nobody can put their foot on the earth. If the moisture has actually finished, then earth is dying. We should not destroy earth because 1, earth feeds us food. 2, earth is our mother. And 3, we have to be respectful to the earth. And that's why it started by Senator Nelson from Wisconsin. For 7 years, he prepared for the very first Earth Day. On April 22nd, 1970, over 20 million people participated in the very first Earth Day. That's why. It's because Senator Nelson believed not enough people were protecting the environment and not enough people were talking about protecting the environment. So he decided for this very first Earth Day. As I said, wherever you see plain fields, please plant grass and trees so we can all survive. If there's less trees and less grass, well, we'll all die. And Earth will die too. Thank you for celebrating Earth Day. I hope you do it.